Hey gang, Nick with Red Ox Insurance Agency here. I want to talk to you about 5 best practices for your fleet maintenance program. Number 1 is to develop a fleet maintenance schedule. Have a schedule laid out of when you're going to complete what type of maintenance. Number 2 is conduct regular inspections. Again, have it on a schedule, regular inspections. Number 3, keep your maintenance records. Keep your maintenance records in a file somewhere. Tip 5 might help when we get there. And number 4, implement preventative maintenance. I used to be in the Army. I drove one of those big, huge fuel HEMTTs, and it was a policy. It was SOP, standard operating procedures, that before we were to drive that truck, we had to do what's called PMCS, preventative maintenance checks and services. So no matter what, even if we were just driving the truck from one end of the yard to the next, we had to do a 360 walk around, check the tires, check everything, check the lights. You want to do this before every trip. You're probably already doing this, but if you're not, you really need to do this. But you want to do this before every trip, just because you never know when you're going to get inspected. You don't want to get put out of service. Out of service is going to, park the truck, can't run it. You're not making any money. It's delaying everything. You might get bad reviews from the shippers and brokers. And insurance is going to go up because every renewal of the insurance companies they're looking at your safety record. If you're being put out of service, they're going to weigh that against the national average, and it's going to affect your premium. So you just want to do that 360 walk around before every trip, and then you want to do it after every trip as well, just to make sure nothing changed while you were on the road. And then number 5, highly recommend you purchase some fleet maintenance software if you don't already have it. I mean, there's a lot of different fleet maintenance softwares out there. Google it, find the best one that fits for you, your budget. But having everything in a cloud-based software where you can keep your records, keep your schedule, keep everything documented, it's only going to be in your best interest for your trucking company. Hopefully you find this helpful. If you need more tips for trucking, follow my YouTube channel. Go to my website, redoxinsurance.com. If you need a quote, fill out a quote request form. There's other information there. I've got vendor partners that I can help you with. Anything related to the trucking business. If I can't do it, I can steer you in the right direction. So visit redoxinsurance.com. Take care.